Here's a really nice 1957 E-Bird. Owner's gotten it really original.
The whole time I got the air conditioning going.
You're sitting back going,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, this is okay.
Yeah. So that's where it's the antique car. You've got a trailer and wherever you're going and then driving.
Yeah, and that's why I bought this.
So did these cars come with a hard top, or was it just a soft top?
This one was actually just a hard top with no porthole window.
I was just looking at the anyway. Having fond memories. My husband.
I got myself a college
So tell us about your oil.
So it's high zinc content oil. It has the most zinc content on the market. It's like 2,000 parts per million. It has some other additives in it to keep your seals nice and lubricated when your car's sitting. It's mostly for cars that aren't driven on a daily basis, so you pull it into the garage and leave it for a month with regular oil in it, and it starts springing a leak. So this has some additives to help with that kind of stuff. And then the zinc is really good for your cam. Modern oil doesn't have zinc in it because it kills catalytic converters. And all oil used to have zinc in it before they came out with all the emission stuff. So it's really to protect your cam and protect the moving parts in your engine.
Where can people find the oil to buy?
If you go to surfcitygarage.com, you can find a link on there, or Instagram is Vintage Car Oil. And there's a link to order on there.
Thanks.